So let's get into today's modification. More of an upgrade, but also I feel like it counts as a modification, but definitely a necessary one. So let's check it out. It's right here behind me. Well, behind you guys. You know what I mean. Right, and it is now the next morning. It is a nice crisp 95 degrees outside, and as you can see, the tonneau cover has stretched out and I think looks phenomenal. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video was informative, although we didn't do too much informing, but it was pretty easy install. I think it looks great. We'll do a long-term review of it if I determine that there's anything wrong with it, but overall, in my opinion, it's obviously a huge necessity, especially for someone with a short bed who uses it a lot. Definitely need a tonneau cover. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what I'm doing here, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next upload.